Hi, what do you think about being able to create super realistic product photography with AI? Well, using AI Photoshoot by Claid, it's super easy to achieve, but it starts with selecting the right product photo. My name is Oni, and in this video, I'll be telling you how you can shoot the right product photo to use with AI Photoshoot. When using AI Photoshoot, it's important to understand that for the range of creative freedom it allows, it really thrives on selecting the right product photo. So that means that how your product looks in the photo, the brightness, the amount of light, shadows, and any effects would affect the quality of your AI photoshoot. Shooting a good product photo is achievable by just following these 5 rules. Number 1, use pictures with high resolution. To get fantastic results on AI photoshoot, use photos with high resolution, like the original ones from your phone or camera. Pictures downloaded from the internet usually have poor resolution, so don't bother. Rule number 2, show off your product nicely. Make sure your product is well lit, so your product looks clear and not fuzzy. The best product photos are neither too dark or too bright. Rule number 3, use the magic of good lighting. Good lighting is crucial. Photos taken in regular bulb lights can look strange with weird colors. The best lighting is natural daylight or studio flash. Also, don't forget that colorful surroundings can affect how your products look. So maybe take note of that. Rule number 4, keep it sharp. Sharpness is essential. Ensure your product is sharp all over, from top to bottom and front to back in the photo. A blurry product photo can make your generated image less clear. Rule number 5, get the right angle. This rule is really important. When using a phone, use a zoom setting, 2x or 3x, for a more natural perspective. For the best look, most product photos are taken from a low angle, almost level with the product. If you're using a fancy camera, go for a lens with a 60 to 150 mm setting, with 90 or 100 being popular for professional photos. Thanks for your time and happy creating with AI Photoshoot.